What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy AB here today, and what I want to display, I'm really excited about this today. I have my new NARCO JEFE, the JEFE AR-15 pistol. And I just finished this beauty up a couple of nights ago, and I just wanted you to see it. There's some nice accents here on the top. Get a good look. And I want to go over some of these things that I've done with this. Just show you the other side. You see, this is all hand engraved. I've got the nice F5, basically a hexagon. This is a 6-sided tube. This is all hand engraved. If you can see this, all 6 sides, my friend. That's all nice hand engraved, buffed. This is a nice tail hook mod 1 pistol brace that I shined up and I did some engraving on, and it works just like it normally does. You put your hand in here on this brace and it works perfectly, my friends. And you can see I did some nice engraving, and I also put some stainless steel nuts on it. I got an 18 karat gold dipped sling adapter here on the back of this. An 18 karat gold forward assist. I've got the this nice mag on this I did. This is a fully engraved AR-15 mag. You see I shined it and buffed it. It's got a lot of nice scroll work that you could see. Came out really good. And I got the charging handle. It's also 18 karat gold plated, along with the plated safe and fire switch. I got the gold plated magazine and the beautiful 18 karat gold heavy plated trigger. And this was a grip I ordered online from a company. I'm trying to think the name of the company, but they sent me it in black. I wanted it raw, and I had to take all the paint off of it. But you can see that's also all hand engraved with scrolls on both sides of it. So it really brought the gun together with everything, with the mag and the brace, tail hook, mod 1. I got the gold dust cover. I got these cool, see how these stick out, these pins? These are like enlarged takedown pins. They got a nice big hand piece to grab onto. So, got those. I put those on there. And you can see the nice scroll patterns I have here. I also did the rail. I did some diamond patterns and some scrolls on the rail, as well as diamond cuts in here. You take a look at it. I also switched these black button head caps out to stainless steel, and I buffed them on my buffing wheel. And a nice heavy A2 extended flash hider to add some bling to it as well. And I thought it came out really good, man. I'm really happy with it. and you can see the details on the trigger. Well, I did some holes here, or some half circles. I did the circles around the magazine well. I got a flower that I did here. You can see that. Maybe a little difficult to see. I got a flower there. Got a flower back here. It's hard to see it. There's a flower right here. And yeah, this is pretty cool on the bullet casing, the bullet. You can see I diamond cutted that whole, all sides of that deflector where the bullet hits. When the sun hits it, it looks kind of like a diamond. I put all those little striations below and behind it. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it, man. This is the second pistol that I've had now, and it works pretty good. So yeah, just wanted to show that to you guys. Also got the gold-plated bolt inside. See that? And just more nice scroll work through the back on the top of that. See all that scroll work. You see this here, I also blinged out with some diamond when it hits, the sun hits it. There's the grip. So anyways, that's it. Like I said, I'm pretty happy with it, the way it turned out. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And I may do another review when the sun's out a little better. Bring them both out here so I can do a better image of it. But anyways, that's it. This one has a 7-inch barrel. The other one was a mini, had like a 5-inch. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you next time on the channel. Just got to take my glove off to close it out here.